Here's a 2009 Acura TSX. A race-derived suspension system, a cabin perfectly balanced between indulgent and sport. This TSX is modern luxury. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, power windows, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com highlights its strong performance, confident handling, comfortable seating, and chock full of the latest high-tech features. Luxury, performance, Acura. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today. Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.